We used to have a Philips coffee machine. We bought it a few years ago, but we foolishly gave it to a relative. After a few days of instant coffee, we decided that we needed a different fully automatic coffee machine. I looked at the prices, and it turned out that you can get this coffee machine with 4 programs and ceramic grinders at a very affordable price. And just 3 days later, Amazon delivered our new coffee machine. God, a week without coffee, and I was pulling this machine out with trembling hands.
Такая же. Офигеть. Я ждала, что она будет другая.